In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way how you can freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. So this is the video that I'm going to work with. I'm gonna drag and drop this video to video track 1 and play to see how it looks with no freeze frame effect. Alright, next I have to navigate to the section Edit. And in here, move the playhead and find the frame that you'd like to freeze. So let's say I want to freeze this frame. Next, I have to select this blade tool and split the clip here. Just left click. All right, now we have to go on to the next frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the right arrow key on the keyboard and it's going to move the playhead to the next frame. And I also have to split the clip here, so just left click. Now I'm going to back to the selection tool here and zoom in here so I can see this part of the video that I just split. Now I'm going to right click on this bit of the video, navigate to change clip speed. In here, tick freeze frame and then click on change. Now I'm going to move this last bit of the video up, and then on this frame that we froze, I'm going to right click and change clip duration. So now I'm going to increase the duration of this frame. So let's say 1 second. I'm going to hit change. Okay, zoom out a bit. Alright, so this is the beginning of the video. This is the frozen frame, and I'm going to move the rest of the video back here. And let's play the video and see how it looks. Boom, this is the frame, and then it continues. And that's basically how you do freeze frame in DaVinci. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.